Hello everybody, and in this video we will learn how to create our breakout rooms in Zoom. The first thing you must do is to make sure that you have the breakout room setting turned on in your Zoom settings. Once you have logged into your Zoom account, click on Settings, then click on End Meeting Advanced. You will then see the breakout room setting. Make sure that it is turned on. Also, check off the Allow hosts to assign participants to breakout rooms when scheduling. Once you are in Zoom with your students, you will then click on the Breakout Rooms button. It will then show you how many participants you currently have in your Zoom, and it'll ask you into how many rooms do you want to break out these participants in. I'm going to choose 2 rooms. You can then choose for Zoom to break out participants into the rooms automatically and randomly. Or you can choose to break out the students into rooms manually. That means you get to choose which participants go to which room. You will then click Create Rooms, and you will see that 2 breakout rooms have been created. And you can choose to rename each room, and you can assign which of the students that are currently participating in your Zoom do you want to assign into that particular room. In this case, I'm going to assign this student to this room, and in the second room, I will assign the other student. You can then click on the Options menu below. You can allow participants to return to the main session at any time, and you can set a timer for when you want participants to rejoin you in the main Zoom. So if I want my students to break out only for 10 minutes, I can set it up for 10 minutes and to notify me when the time is up. You can also set up a countdown timer to notify students when they only have a certain amount of time left to return to the main room. You can do anywhere from 10 seconds to 120 seconds. You can also add more rooms if you need to. And once you are ready to break out the participants into their different rooms, you can click on Open All Rooms. This will send all the participants to their assigned breakout room. It'll notify you that all participants have been invited to join to the breakout rooms. And as you can see, the timer will start counting down. You can choose to broadcast a message into all rooms. And you can send the broadcast into all the groups, and they will be able to see it on their messages. You can also choose to join in each group and visit with the students in that group. Just be aware that you will only be able to join into one room at a time. You can also move students from one room to the other if needed by clicking on the Move To button. Then choosing from the list of breakout rooms you have available. If you are ready for students to join into the main room, all you have to do is click on the Close All Rooms, and all the students will once again join you in your main Zoom. It'll count down 60 seconds for students to know that they will be back in the main Zoom room with you. Once the countdown is over, you will see that all your students have rejoined your Zoom. And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed this breakout rooms guide, which will help you in having students collaborate in small breakout rooms. Till next time.